How to book your Kuala Lumpur hotel room by using mobile app? Okay, welcome. Let's move on. How to book your Kuala Lumpur hotel room by using mobile app? Now, first of all, you have to install the Kuala Lumpur Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. The link is similar as this URL link. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install this Kuala Lumpur Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, after you have installed this Kuala Lumpur Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Kuala Lumpur hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Kuala Lumpur for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. After you have installed this Kuala Lumpur Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, you just click on this green color open button to open the Kuala Lumpur Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, this is the mobile app view on your phone. Look for the first row in the middle, this icon, hotel booking, click on it. Then it will bring you to the redirect you to the hotel booking platform. Let me enlarge this page for easy viewing. Okay, at the top here you can search the availability hotel in Kuala Lumpur by inputting your check-in and check-out date, and then rooms for how many person, and then you click on the search button to further continue your hotel booking. Or you can scroll down a bit to look at the popular Kuala Lumpur hotels with pictures, score, review score, and rating, 5-star rating, how many star rating. Okay, you can scroll down, and then you also can look at the hotel photo picture. Okay, or you can also scroll to the bottom, look at the best hotel that you are choosing, that you want to choose for reservation. All got 5,376 hotels in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, now let me give you an example. Let's say I want to book this Trader hotels, or maybe I want to book, I think, okay, let me choose this. Okay, let's say I want to book this Shangri-La Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Okay, a 5-star rating at Kuala Lumpur City Center. Super 9.2 score, high score. Let me click on the view deals here, and then I can look at the hotel scenery photo here. I can browse through every photo. Okay, let me browse through the photo for your viewing. Okay, show you the facility, the food, restaurant, and others availability facility. Okay, look at this super dining, fast check-in, fantastic bar. Okay, scroll down, look at the hotel features, and then look at the activities, services, internet, parking, and check-in date and check-out date. Okay, so the parking here, hotel is free parking, airport shuttle, and that run from the hotel. I also can scroll down and look at the others rating summary. Also, it's almost very high score. Who stay here? Normally couples like to stay here. Okay, most popular. And then you scroll down and look at others guest review on this hotel, very high score. Okay, now let's say I want to book this hotel room, so I have to scroll up and go back to the form. Okay, for me to input the check-in and check-out date first before I can book this hotel. Let's say I choose a travel date as this, for example, March, and day 4. check-out date remain at least 1 day. So for 2 adults, okay, I can choose other option here. Okay, then click on this check availability and prices. Then it will display the hotel booking provider for me with a different price. Okay, if I want, I also can click on this compare for website, and then it will show me more option, more provider for me to book this hotel room with a different types of room and a bit of different price. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel room. The first option, deluxe king room, free Wi-Fi, free parking. I click on book with hotel button here, and then within 3 seconds, after 3 seconds, it will redirect me to the provider for me to book this Shangri-La hotel room. Okay, now this is the real price. Okay, this is the final real price. Let me scroll down. Okay, and then I can choose the option that I want. Okay, let's say I want to book the hotel room. This one, this option. Okay, Wi-Fi included, private parking included, on-site, low rate, non-refundable deal. Let's say I want this, I want 2 person, 542.0. Okay, I want 1 room. And then I click reserve. Then it just take 2 minutes for the booking, but no booking fees. Now here I have to input all my details here before I can able to click next. Let's say I input my first name and my second name and my phone number, just for example, and then my email address. Okay, next case. Confirm email again. Next case. Okay, once done, then I just scroll down and look at the booking hotel details, and then I just click next. If I want an optional extra, I click here. Continental breakfast is 98 ringgit per guest per night. Okay, 98 ringgit per child per night. Then I just click next. Then it will show me my details, and this page requires me to input my credit card details number for me to make the booking, hotel booking, confirm hotel booking. So once you have input this credit card details and click on this button book now, then it will send me the hotel booking confirmation message to my email address that I given on this page. So then it is done. Click done, exit the hotel booking page, and then you can scroll more on this Kuala Lumpur Travel Tour Guide mobile app to explore more what are the top places that tourists like to visit. Okay, now in conclusion, I repeat again, you have to install this Kuala Lumpur Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store. Now you can pause this page, and then you can scan your QR code or click on the link at the below of this video to install this Kuala Lumpur Travel Tour Guide mobile app first before you're able to book the hotel booking via this mobile app. Okay, so thanks for watching. Remember to click on the thumbs up, like below this video, and also share it with your friends, and remember to click on subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell for me to notify you every time I have a news video post to this channel. Thank you. Okay, goodbye.